I don't like what this song's talking about right now. Enrique just said your boyfriend's out of town and my girlfriend's out of town. I don't like that, Enrique.
Got him!
He just said that his girlfriend's out of town and that your boyfriend's out of town, man. I don't like that at all, dude. Gattuso. Shut Mbappe down.
You will never get this. You will never get this. La la la.
What the hell is this? Get the game. Marquinhos, freaking get it, dude. I'm about to freaking lose it. Wait, is it a beehive? Is Mbappe a little beehive? Everyone's like, bzz, bzz, like floating around him. Let's go, Pedro. Pedro.
El niño de la Masia en la España. Un joven de Barcelona. El equipo mejor de la España. Quiero un jamón ibérico y un tosta con tomate. Un estrella damm. Hoy en el día después.
Get out of here, man. Get out of here with that weak sauce. Get out of here with that freaking weak sauce, man. You know what? It's Pedro time, and it's time for Pedro to cook. Oh, I'm sorry. What are you chefing up?
Cooking un poquito de jamón ibérico con un patatas bravas y una estrella damm y un poquito chocolate de leche por antes el cena. Gracias. Gracias, tío.
It's time to cook this guy, man. It's time to freaking cook this guy, dude. Oh, he's pissed.
I'm just gonna slide.
Vale. Adios, tío. Adios, tío. The Godfather. In Spanish, that's el Dios, el Padre de Dios. El Padre de Dios. Hasta luego. Hasta la mañana. Y toca tu nuts. Y abre con tu nuts. Duolingo? Nah, Dua Lipa. Got him.